Can you see the pain? Them know what the fuck is probably. They don't want to find the solution.
Dinin jamal le fata ko masilo la anini banyol manyoje. Jani vidala ngeje. Jani vidala ngeje. Jani vidala nana ngeje. Jani vidala ngeje. Moja male tamade fada le family li meje. Moja male fada madiabi le family meje. La mira wa fose kumbo.
Fanka so yinki jote. Alinga sabarota. Alama halayalisa. Kalisa. Susaina frola. Alama halayalisa.
Mbadion, al sem follow Instagram Give Thanks TV 1, Facebook Give Thanks TV. Footballer father. Mbadion, al numbara Give Thanks TV la murunta nan koteke mbafla momo nem video etre wati Give Thanks TV ko abe kontonna watola mbadion kontondro boring kola je mbafla le kal subscribe aliya like ale comment nal subscribe to pare aliya make sure kakata belendi men katara je mbadion aliya ma ka press ibaja la video jolanta wati mbading imanke mo followti rekela mo la wanti meme video jubela mbadion ngaje wati tambita na Gambia deun na funding kiol ala ye min jiyo doya fankaso kono mbadion hakilo baka wati tambita tele dandan koma modo video nin sen na grupo to bari nga video jube nga krosia en balo fa bake bari modol be ye ya tandile ko ni mo political ti manam political kurukuru kan wala tinabe nin kola adu grupo mantal lorin pour politico modul yaje ko o video metale amanke bi video ti manam amario nata fam ate mo kilo nemba malo aya sen fana funo to fana nombato anyina tandi nako alaftale nge de ma ngane ko tandi barambe min fola mario e nintenga wo news tandi ndematol dema ntenga mfana dema kandu Gambia bemu badin kilnati bari ngane tanda mario lankay ko ngamo mol ko fake news lem ani wo sifal adunka mek so fake news mo kala fka tandi jang bari anata proof wol tandina kajen sita jube no dula minto nga jube nga news ninjiye ani dula jama mfane kiskisiroke ngaje ko tonya akamimfo tonyalem na Gambia don fatale fankaso kono akona ta mira bake koni natan jahal kaje ko na Gambia don milalon ko be sharing amanke mo dantanti mo tallul ni worowla o manke mo dantanti wolse keno soma mo kuma balati akoye mira ayen jahal malombe kala nyawanya bari video ni ayen balo fa nyamen wala tinante video ni tandila jang bari ngaje kimpata ayala opinion fo koninto min ketala miro timbadi on mbafala dukarende ze kimpata la moyne hakilo la bake ay kibaro di mansa kundala kaje ko se hakilo tu membe kere kaje batani do kuntayani fentaya aning mantoro mimbe Gambia e se ibulo kafu ka doko ke pro funding mansa funding kol bali kanani komasilola abala fa warta bake mbane on ngakimpata len jube komi nga fala nyamen arsela moro keni hakilola alkana keni jusola Gambia mbele dentala arsela la opinion fo min kata la miroti hani mo killing fan akumata la soko talulu ni worowla e kata marokle e ko ela esanso banda be jio kono e meta je e batata fo mo jama fata je nga video jube nga video crossi ngaje fodol ka yanka e ka ji kana fankaso la dende on ambadi on oh la koni mira baka e mbalo fa
ngeje ngema nene jandi bitala ngeje wala buganda panga fanne fabiringa nyininka mobile kafe meje wenkumbonga ala nyineke ngamunyanga ala fana seje dindi jamale fata ko mashilo la anini banyol manyoje jandi bitala ngeje jandi bitala ngeje jandi bitala
Sarobe fankasibato Namusio kelle jolle kumbota Walla sarobe fankasibato Wole frujato su Dolu wole eduntu su Wolu bebe fankaso chori mama blow.
Anyway, people, make we talk about what is happening in Gambia right now. See, December come, this government must go. Gambia government must go. Gambia, you have to start to unite and forget this politician. Because you know what is happening? Yesterday, how many Gambians just lost their life in Mauritania? 58 Gambians. They left from Barra to travel to reach in Europe. On the way, the boat capsized because there was not enough petrol to reach them on Mauritanian shores. So everybody died. The people, just few of them survived. This is very serious. 2020. Gambia is losing all its future generation just because there's nothing for them in the country to do. The big man them, President Barrow, UDP, PDOIS, GDP, PPP, NCP, all of these parties, none of them don't care about nobody of us. All they care is to control the money of the Gambia and the Gambian people, just to rule and steal our money and embezzle it and better off their family and ignore the original and the ordinary people. This is wrong. Gambia, there is no hospital, there is no medicine, there is no road, there is no work, there is no job, there is no farming, there is nothing. Absolute nothing for the people in the Gambia. Why do you think Gambians are sacrificing their life to take a small boat to leave Gambia to come to Europe? Because there's nothing for them. How many people finish school, college, high school, all over the place? Smart, intelligent. There's no work, no perspective, nothing for our Gambian children. Nothing, absolutely nothing. When I was coming to Europe, I flew to London City with a plane. Things change. Gambians are suffering. People, you know, hear what ST just sing? How many Gambians will not have father? How many? Plenty. You know why? Because of the leaders and neglect the Gambians. Blatant neglect. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Gambia. Alal nyalu yele. Al nyim politician ol al nyulu mutaliye damfuyeta jolon dinko kono jana. Nafao nafate nyim politician ol. Adama Barrow, UDP, PDOIS, GDP, PPP, NCP, they are all the same. Don't trust none of them. Make sure aliyal nyalu yele, aliyal long, jamale be Gambia sambala, jamale balla hajol topoto lali, jamale bal dingol mako ela purieta karambungoto, ye doku kendolo soto, ni mol sasate eta loptano to bor kendolo soto, mol ye domorolo soto, senelali ye la masinol ni la kuolo soto, ye jambandol soto ye senoke mol domoro ken konoli ye fa. Fondinke be yankala, fondinke be fala nyimba jiot, kunung. Gambia fondinke talulu anin sey wolle niyo tuta nyimba jiot muna nyimmu kayrol tibang Gambia no albe siring alial nyakasi nyin news la albe daki la Adama Barrow noma albe daki la nyim politician no noma nal sasa ta fongo talma ko el Gambia muna lal nyaaye ubilen sen boti Gambia ubilen sen boti politician yi ñom Adama Barrow ak ñom ñep ñoo em billahi wal kitaabi ñii politiciens yu nekk Gambia foofu noonu ñi ngeen a toppa di doko seen gannaaw faale wuñ leen amuñ seen jot te taluñ leen bàyyi leen politiciens yi nii daaxaleen ñii ñu génna bu leen vote na gaa yi génna ñaata doomi Gambia nii ñoo dees Mauritania si ndox gi démba rek ñaata doomi Gambia nii ñoo fa des si ndox gi ñaata doomi Gambia nii ñoo des si ndox gi over juróom fukki doomi Gambia nii ñoo des si ndoxi Mauritanian bi because gars yi Europe lañ bugg a agsi kenn buggut a bàyyi sa dëkka du fa jaama nekkee jaama la bakken bugga ak fu mu ko mun a amee looloo tax ndooyi di daw di dem uti jaama because Gambia jaama amu fa doo feebaree doo am garab yoon yi baaxuñ amut lampa amut ndox amuñ liggéey béykat yi amuñ dara tool amatut Gambia nit ñaa ngi soona yéena ngee dogo si kaw politicien yi nii ñii faale wuñ leen seen poos yi rek lañ tal ak seen doom yee seen njabooti keneen ñi faale wuñ leen te njabooti ñeneen ñi ñoo leen fa teg looloo tax ñii ubbi leen seen boti Gambia yéena ngee soona ba pare nekku leen di wax dëgga because su fekkee ne dëgga ngeen toppa Gambia yëpp dinañ jóg December bi Adama Barrow paak bagaasam mi génna na paak bagaasam mi génna ñun ay ndaw yi lañ bugga ñu ñëw jiite ñu paa yu yaaga yii nii seen boppa yi nekkuñ di dox seen poos yi rek la ñoo xalaat paa yu yaaga yii nii bàyyi leen ñii ñu dem toog ubbi leen seen boti Gambia suñ doomi Gambien yaa ngee dee mel ni ay ganaar lii dafa ëppa de te lu ëppa tuuru ubbi leen seen boti Gambien yaa ngee daw suñ daw yaa ngee daw amuñ fa dara lu ñoo def ñaata doomi Gambien yee des si yooni gannaaw gii nii pour aga Europe ba pare ñu yàlla dimbalee ba gaa yi tekki aga si fii ñu ngi leen a bunu xatal Gambia government di leen bunu xatal di jël xaalis si government bi pour ñu delloo doomi jàmbur yi loole naa jox foofu noonu loole naa jox doomi Gambia nii ñu fa nekka ñu ngi sona benn join pour tout sa police ñëw téye la xaalis bu ndaw bi nga am ñu jël ko sa loxo kenn amu fa liggéey Gambia kana fa nekk di liggéey di am $2,000 $3,000 €100 yaa ngi liggéey weer bi dee doo am €100 sax yaa ngi liggéey di ñaan lift pour aga Banjul nga liggéey jógee sa kër 7 o'clock si suba doo ñib si kër ba ay 11 o'clock si guddi te yaa ngi liggéey from 8 o'clock ba 4 o'clock yaa ngi ñaan lift jógee Banjul nga am lift ba Saaro waaca ñaanaat lift ba Kanifing waaca ñaanaat lift ba Tabokoto ñaanaat lift ba Busumbala ñaanaat balaa nga aga Banjul Brikama fekka moom ndeysaan Gambia alal ñaalu yela uddi teegi monding andon ka tippatong Gambia wattu on yoni saare nde fo yo yaltu Adama Barrow moba piiji makko ɗin kankoye government makko ɗen ɓe seeka paykoye men ɓen ɓe maayade ka nder maayo on ñande wo ñande hecci hanki ko paykoye ƴelu maayi ka nder ndiyan ɗan Mauritanie ɓuri paykoye 50 hay goto ala e haalaɗe fiimo iɗon jokki Adama Barrow e ɗi politicien ji ɗin iɓe dayna on ɓe ala haaju mon ko jiiɓaji maɓɓe tum ɓe andi e bengure maɓɓe tum ɓe faala wallude ɓe haajaka jama on uddite giteji mon ɗin open your eyes Gambia because you are still sleeping. This is 2020. Over 22 years you've been brutalized. All the fathers of the country been murdered, exiled, killed, tortured. Over 22 years. Before that it was 30 years. Jawara government didn't do fuck alls. Nothing. This is why Yaya Jammeh came and took over and maltreated the whole Gambian and destroy everybody. 22 years. God come and said, look, I will open up the gate for you. One more time. Remember, all good things are 3. One more time. God opened the gate for us 2016. We bring this big change. But you people forget, say, the change is not completed. We need a better government, a better governance. People who think about the future generation. We cannot be ruled by old people. Old people. Gambia. Korda o korda ya jije. Fama ka lafile ko. Ay boje a dingol ye korda nyin kontine. Ye legacy nyin kontine. Bari pari ngo betar la nyadi le suokono. Kabirin tolma wulu. Ite ko ebe dimbayal balundi la. Dimbayal wulu. Ye dimbayal balundi. Ye dimbayal dingol balundi. Ye mamaringol balundi. Ye mumuringol balundi. Ye tulumutaringol balundi. Otekela. Gambia. Adama Barrow na la Masakunda nyantele la bagasul park. A move. Dolen fa toge. Ngena huli bo. Sorry, somebody just call me. Ban borom kër moo bugga nekka foofu noonu si kër gi di dundal doomam mi di dundal setam mi di dundal setam mi ba aduna bi tukki loolu musta am so paayi nii na gaay dandu ndaw yi ñëw take over the country ñun ñoo xam problème yi dëkk bi ñun ñooy jiite dëkk bi ëllëg bàyyi leen di tëj seen bot yi yéen da ngeen bugga torox Gambia, you love to suffer. Our children are dying on this water every day. Nobody is speaking about it. Kenne could di wax yena ngi top Adama Barrow mu ngi leena jox xaalis di leen na government bi nii ñu bon lañ ñaata doomi Gambia nii ñoo daw Yaya Jammeh Gambia nii ñaata doomi Gambia nii ñoo nekk di daw this Adama Barrow government ngeen xam ne government ñii duñ dara mbaam bu dee sax leen tane alal ñaalu yele Gambia na fondinkel be fala ñing jio kam pour kaftanan tubabu du jang because munemu do kute mobulu Gambia jamale ka do ko kije ikat wili fula soto mo bebe do ko la albe wili kilin soto la everybody mo bebe wulla somanda bita do ko la ni karo fata yejo wili kilin kemelul kabri somanda ite boya iko ikata do ko la pour yene la dimbaya lu makoy dandi be ftala do ko dula wakatara mole do ko kumas ite ftaje do ko ke do ko e bang jandi be ftala ne la dimbali ya suokono wakatara safo salta because munem paso fango be kasto be moto jola min naka seynan albe sirin hani say albe batala je alal yalo nako nyim fondinke lu milbe faka nyin silo kam pour kafta tubabu du hamole be nyulla ni hamota nyulla mota nyo mutalay kala pour katara nyim baji yokono pour kafta nanjang ibena mun la jang hamole be nyulla wala neke niol bondi ka landi silo kam pour kafta nanjang Gambia la Masakunda nying Adama Barrow la nyim Masakunda kurum adumba kuma fulale bi alal tulo yele UDP loya dabola nyantala boje ay sana jawara nyol nati nang ay tambindi ben suda nyol no wonte UDP alta kala mansati nying Gambia ntela nga nyim falie doy wol na kala mansati because Halifa Sallah kabri 1965 you want to rule Gambia, you don't have young talented people to push in front. Bailen di na domi jamburi Gambia funding kel siol be tela nyimbaji yokani nyin koma silokan because munemu alkafo kunte nyulla kunta tollela ale muneke Gambia no leje munat nete borla hani nyi nyama joyno ni amute buli se lapi ko wulo ye wuli somanda idi dasa mutete konton falma estimo ya minfo funding ke jelle man fasto Gambia funding ke jelle be borkam pour kana ke fangol mako ya ni la dimbal so xono molla fondinkel be fala nyim baji yoto abe kunta fo nyim Masakunda kurumolo ngamil soto kabiri 19 blood class 65 aliye nyin kebari ngolla alko kebari ngolle ke molla mansati ntol fele ntol sai mfamal mutata ye molu makoy ntol le nyanta sai kam famalu makoy kam bamalu makoy anin do malu anin mamal bari ite bo kala kordati yoti ye dingolu balundi ye mama ringolu balundi eta nola alnin kebari ngolo bondi molla Masakunda kono mol batatale Gambian people are suffer. Gambians are dying like chicken every day. Gambians are suffer, them are dying. They don't have no hospital, no medicine, nothing. Albe daki la nyim politician lo noma ibal nene la nal sasata ital makoyla nal konkota ital makoyla al dingol nyanta kada karambo to ital makoyla Senelal hayna njete makoyla albe jabol sanna bantal be natila albe domorol sanna bantal be natila albe molla kodo tinyala Mo kurumballe malti. Gambia, you have to get up. It's December. And make sure Adama Barrow and his government fuck off. We build a new government, you know. Government that would think of his people, support his people, and share the wealth among the people equally. Equal right and justice. Yesterday, over 58 Gambians died in the water in Mauritania because they want to come to Europe. There's nothing for them in Gambia. This is sad. 2020, everybody sleeping. Gambia government taking money from Europe to deport the Gambians and then make them suffer more and more. Nobody is speaking about it. What is this? Our children are dying every day to reach Europe to come and help themselves and their family because nobody is helping them. Even those who just escaped last year, the youths who escaped last year to reach Europe, it's them helping their family. And they don't even have work here. They will go and do rubber and help themselves and their family. If not, who is going to do it? Nobody. Munalal nyalu yele. Molbe 2020 lokodo. Femman fili kote ke femman nu. Il after femo fel on the internet all in one click. Kobe funtiye. Alba sinol. Alba sinol. Adatoli alon ne people. Open up your eyes. It's about time, you know.